So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to delete your draft from TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your TikTok account. Now you should have to tap on profile icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Then you will see your drafts available on the left side of your screen. So tap on it. Then you can see the option of select on the top right corner of your screen. So again tap on it. Then tap on a video which you want to delete, like this. So I am tapping on delete, which is available on the lower bottom of your screen. So then confirm either you want to delete or not. So I want to delete, so I am tapping on delete icon. Now see, 2 draft has been deleted successfully from TikTok, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.